What's going on, everybody? Zach here. It's a nice day today. A little nicer than I actually thought it was going to be. It's almost 70 degrees here in Tennessee, at least in my part anyway. Sun's shining, no rain, not a cloud in the sky. So I figured, good day to do a little video, a little work. I don't have everything I need for my 350Z yet. I will start tearing it down shortly, so for those of y'all who have subscribed to watch that, bear with me. I'm trying to still get everything. It's an expensive swap, but I do happen to have my buddy's truck here, the one he dropped off for me to work on that front end. I don't have anything to replace it with, but it's just too good a day to pass up. I figured I'd film y'all a little content. I'm gonna tear off the fenders. Hopefully I can get that far. You know, maybe take off the hood, see what I can do with it. He wants me to try to save the hood, do a little fiberglass work. Just kind of see what I can take apart and see what's bent and what needs to be replaced. All right, guys. Kind of run out of sunlight a little bit. You know, it's kind of one of those things. I had to go to church today. Didn't have a whole lot of time. I got a pretty good bit. I mean, if you've seen in the video, you know, a lot of times I was moving around my hands trying to pull on this, look at that. I was just trying to check, see what's broken and what's not. Because if it's not broken, then we're not going to replace it. It's just one of them things, trying to, you know, help out a buddy. He ain't got a whole lot of money. So we're just going to replace what we need to for now and get it back to stock. Maybe off-road bumper, something like that, you know, down the road. Who knows? It depends on how much money he wants to spend before I put it back together. So I didn't take everything off. If you see right here, you know, I got this fender off. Little trick, if you don't know anything about working on cars, you know, like I said, I'm not a master mechanic. Something I've learned over the years. The more you can put back on and just kind of leave loose in its place, the easier it's going to be to put back together. Like right here, I took this bracket off, I put it back on. You know, I got the bolts back on. This bracket came off, but I put it back on just where it goes. I got this zip tied up so it's not hanging even on the fender right here. I'm going to keep the fender until we get a stock one or another one to replace it. And this bracket right here, just in case that fender doesn't have it, I've got the bolts and I've got the bracket. I'm gonna leave that on there. You know, I've got bolts here. That way I can put them side by side. And if it doesn't have the bolt, I got the bolt here. If it doesn't have a bracket, I got the bracket here. You know, the less you have to keep up with, the better. It makes things so much easier. You can see this whole headlight blinker setup is gone. It was cracked. This right here, which has got a whole lot more wiring anyway, but I've looked it over and it doesn't look to be broken in any way. So I'm gonna leave it on. And this fender right here is actually not in bad shape. I think I could probably dent that back out, well, bang it back out, maybe. Put a little glaze over it, sand it down, and this right here will probably come out all right. I don't think we need to replace this one. It's got, you know, the gap in the door is obviously less down here, more up here, but this door actually needs the bushings replaced. So I'll replace the bushings first, and then we'll see if that lines that crack back up, and then that'll tell us if the fender's been knocked back or not. So it's really not as bad as I thought. You probably saw me grinding earlier in the video. That was actually my buddy. He had some kind of bumper on here, and that was the bottom to it. Well, I knocked my shin on it, so it kind of made me mad. So it decided to go bye-bye. So sorry, James. If you want it back on, we'll weld it back on later. Looks like he may need, I mean, it's about time to change filter anyway, but this filter got crushed. So before we do any kind of actual, you know, road driving, probably put a new filter on it. Well, I mean, honestly, if he wants, we'll change the oil, you know, do just a good tune-up on it. I mean, I can get the spark plugs real easy right now. So it's up to you, James, if you're watching. Other than that, I mean, I'm probably going to leave the hood on it for right now until I can get a good sized tarp to cover everything up, because I don't want to leave it just sitting in the rain getting rained on. I've got a little tarp that'll cover this up for now, but once I get a big tarp, I'll probably put it on there. That way I can start maybe working on this hood or seeing if I can fix it. Like I said, I'm not a fiberglass guy, never done it. No better time to learn than now. Any of you watching, you got any tips, let me know. Maybe if you've done it in a video, if you got a YouTube channel, you know, send me a message, let me know what's going on. I watch it, maybe help me out a little bit. I'll take all the help I can get. But I think that's about it. This motor was made to go. Tried to talk him into it, let me put it in the 350Z right here, but he said that was a no-go. That would have been fun. Thanks, James. But yeah, other than that, I think that's all I'm gonna do today. I just want to make a video for y'all, you know, get a little work done. I felt actually pretty good. I'm still not all the way healed, but you know, if you know anything about these fenders, they're not that heavy. There's nothing I couldn't handle. So thanks for watching.